heard about the scientist who helped change math and space science more than 1000 years ago. ازيكم يا أصحابي؟ أهلا بيكم في عالم ريماس. His name was Thabit bin Qurra. He was born in the city of Haran in ancient Mesopotamia. At first, he worked as a money changer in the market, but his real passion was science, math, and stars. One day, smart travelers noticed his talent. They invited him to Baghdad, the city of knowledge. In Baghdad, Sam studied math, astronomy, and medicine. He translated many Greek science books into Arabic. Because of him, many important ideas were saved for the future. But he didn't only translate books. He also made new discoveries. He worked on geometry, numbers, and the movement of planets. Some historians say his ideas later helped European scientists. Thabit bin Qurra became one of the greatest scientists of the Islamic Golden Age. And even today, the world still remembers his amazing mind. قبل الفيديو يخلص دوس لايك وشير للجينيس واعمل متابعة عشان توصلك الحاجات اللي بحبها من أول ما تعمل صلى على النبي.